Hey guys, so I haven't done videos in a while, so I want to do a video of me washing my car, and I'm gonna have my girlfriend help me. So hi. Alright, so let's get to it. Let's go wash my car. But first, I gotta show you my car. This is my car. It's a 1994 Ford Ranger. It's a little 3-runner, a little bro runner. So it has I-beams, has a 4-inch lift, general tires, has a 4.0 engine with a manual transmission. And yeah, let's go wash it. This is my favorite car wash to go to because it's only $1 and yeah, so we're gonna wash my car. I mean, honestly, we don't really need to have all the fancy stuff like all the scrubs and everything. We just gotta spray it down, scrub it a little bit. What a good day. We just showed up and there's already money here. Awesome.
All she wanna do is hold that block with me. Whispering in my ear, she tryna leave with me. Say that I can get that pussy easily. Say that I can hit that shit so easily. I'm a dirty clown, I did it easily. Hey, no, tell it what I'm in the beyond. Hey, I'm beyond all the bullshit. I float my shit up on Linden in the 192. Forever right and ever biting, ain't shit else to do. Hoping to battle, but most MCs ain't ready yet. But if they utter one word, then it's as good as set. You have MCs dropping bombs, that's incredible. Some other brothers, their styles are just despicable. As for me, see, I just do how I love to do. Try to deny me of my props and I'll be seeing you. Most of you suckers wanna be down for the tag along. The friggin' fame, someone tell them that this shit ain't game. You got to do this from your heart, meaning your inner soul. And if it's real, only then will you be on a roll. I try to stay on top of my game, there ain't no time to lose. For our believers a question, but still we paying dues. So hear me out one time, you got to be yourself. Cause if you ain't yourself, you end up by your friggin' self.
It's clean, it's dry. Let's go vacuum it.
Could never die.
Fucking drug shit.
All of our time.
Yeah.
Could never die.
So now it's time to vacuum it, and I haven't washed my car or cleaned my car in like forever, so it's kind of dirty. So yeah. Let's go ahead and vacuum it.
Yo, straight from the depths of Queens, leave you sleeping on the mezzanine. Like you Lincoln, then switch it to a desert scene. Often heard, but this motherfucker's never seen. I'm throwing blows while you waiting for the bell to ring. Drug smoking, razors make the pasta sweet. Slumped over when the barrel in your posture meet. Stay lean like some motherfucking ostrich meat. You full of shit, it's time to get a colonoscopy. Scissor kicks, dick suck from Miss Elizabeth. Lex Luger arms, 4 in the morning in the dark.
So, that's it. Just wash it, dry it, vacuum it, that's it. We don't have to really do much. My car's really small. Do you have fun?
Yeah, it's really hard.
Alright, so one more video for the to make it all dramatic. We're gonna make it all fancy.
Yo, I know the feeling like you be having good thoughts, what they yo, I know the feeling when you feeling like you feeling good thoughts, having thoughts, feeling. Yo, I know the feeling like you be having good thoughts, what they feeling in the stresses of life can take you off the right. Jealousy and envy tends to infiltrate the staff. When you feeling like
So it's hot and I'm kind of tired. I gotta go to work later, so we're gonna leave it at that. It's just a short video. See you for the next one.
feeling like